Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear app cache memory on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to clear the app cache memory. Now after opening the app, scroll down and click on storage. Now here you will see a clear cache option. So to clear the app cache, click on this option and then it will clear the app cache memory. So that's how you can clear the app cache memory in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.